gonna notice that you've got under £10 tint on, yeah? I'll show you 4 different shades of red in today's video. Hello, annyeong, this is Yuhi. Welcome to my channel. I'm a working mom of 2 based in London who review K-beauty products which you can easily purchase from here in UK. And before we continue about today's video, I'd like to give huge thanks to my viewers and subscribers, especially as it has been about 1 month since launching this channel, and now it has hit total view of nearly 8,000. And there was also a request from one of my subscribers to review about K-beauty lip products. I really love communicating with my subscribers and receiving requests, so thank you very much, Hannah. Your request is my command. So this video is the answer to your request. And since now it's the end of the year, the party season has arrived, guys. And what color do we think of the most during this season? I know you're thinking it, we all think of the red, right? We need some more, the hot, sexy red. Yeah. So in today's video, I have prepared some of the hot, sexy K-beauty red lipstick products. So should we just get into the business, yeah? Yeah, shall we? Before we kickstart, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to show some love and support and not miss out on any of my future videos. Today I've prepared best-selling K-beauty lip products from Amazon, and those are BOM My Lipstick and Etude House Dear Darling Water Gel Tint. So basically I've prepared 4 products today because I don't think my lips will be able to cope more than 4 products at one go, otherwise my lips will get really sore. So I'll show you 4 different shades of red in today's video, and these are all under £10, guys, under £10. These days the inflation is going up so high, we don't want to spend that much on lip products, do we? These ones are affordable, but they won't make you look cheap either. So after watching this video, if you guys are interested, go and check out the purchase links down at the information bar below. And please excuse me for my voice, as I had a really bad cold recently. I'm kind of coming towards the end of it, but my nose is still really bunged up, and because I've been blowing my nose out so much, underneath my nose is really dry. But my lips, however, which is the most important part of this video, they aren't dry because I've been well prepping them using this Caramel Berry Lip Night Mask. This has been super helpful. I've been applying this over the past couple of days, every morning and night. Just dab it on really easy on top of my lips like this every single morning and night to prep them for this video, to keep them nice and hydrated. So it has been super helpful. Fab product. I highly recommend this as well. So if you're interested, there will be a purchase link for this as well down at the information bar below. So shall we start with the BOM My Lipstick? Yeah. BOM is a fairly new Korean cosmetics brand, started in 2018, and their skincare line called Just One is also really popular. So if you guys are interested, I will do a review on that as well in future. So first we have BOM My Lipstick number 801 My Red. This is a strong, long-lasting matte lipstick. I'll put it on here for you to have a look. Oh, this one has got like a velvety texture to it, and it just glides. It literally just glides onto your skin. Totally in love with this rosy red color here. So, shall we try it on, yeah? What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I think this red lipstick anyone can pull off because it's like a nice pinky, rosy red lipstick. If you can pull off pink lipstick, you can pull pull this one off as well. And really, it doesn't dry out your lips. My lips are very, very dry. I got like a slight lip balm underneath this, but I do this with any kind of lipstick, even the most hydrating one. So that's me, guys. You guys, unless your eyes are your lips are really dry like mine, you guys can handle this. This does not dry out your lips. It's perfect. It just perfectly hugs, literally hugs the matte formula. I love this, love the texture, love the feel of it, and it is matte and long lasting. You are covered. You will be covered at the party, guys. This will last long. It will be there. You're drinking, you're eating, having fun, dancing, and this will stay. I actually love this. So the next BOM lipstick shade is BOM My Lipstick number 808, My Warm Red. This is one of the new additional shades to this range. Let me show you here. This is like, I love how it just perfectly glides to your skin. Can you see? Can you see the color here? Yeah. So basically, as you can tell the difference, the first My Red is like rosy pinky red, and this is more like a brick color red, brownie. The reason I chose this is because I think this will not be only good for parties, but it's really good for daily, everyday like lipstick, especially for this autumn season, because it's kind of brownie red. It's got like nice depth to it, so it is the color of the season. So I cannot wait to try this. So what do you guys think? It is a bit more orangey red, sort of in between like brick brownie color to orange, in between those two red. I think this is more like autumn winter tone shade, and I can really see myself wearing this just on daily basis as well. It's just perfect for this season. I really love the packaging of this lipstick as well. It's so simple, and what I love the most about this product is the magnetic lid. It just pushes in on its own. So including the packaging and the texture and overall, this lipstick, I'd give it 5 out of 5. Probably the one and only matte lipstick, I would give 5 out of 5. Let's now move on to the Etude House Dear Darling Water Gel Tints. So Etude House is fairly historical Korean cosmetics brand, started since 1985. They're a really playful, girly brand targeted towards young market. And I know that I don't fall into the young market, but there is no age barrier when it comes to makeups, right? Especially when it comes to lip products. So why not? Yeah, let's try these out. So the first one is RD303 Chili Red. So I'll show you what it looks like on your hand. Ooh. So this is more juicy orange red. Let's try it. So what do you guys think? This one has glossy finish and it's a tint, that's why it feels quite moist. Has a nice juicy glossy texture at the end. And yeah, I like it because it's really moist and the color really pops out. Personally, I really like orangey, like coral color as well. So this is like an orangey red, but not too orange, and really pops out. So if you want to stand out in the crowd when you're at the party, go for it, guys, go for it. And now moving on to the next one is RD302 Dracula Red. Let me try it on here for you guys to see. This is so red. It's like a blood red, guys. It is the classic blue tone red. Can you see? You can see the difference, yeah. The first one is a bit more light orangey red, which I actually thought really popped out on my lips. And this is like the classic dark red, guys, dark red. So shall we have a try? This is the Dracula red, guys. What do you guys think? It's like blood, isn't it? Like just like as you can see here. So the really good thing about these packaging is that you can see what you're getting because it's nice and clear. I thought this one, the orange red, chili red, really popped out as well. But this one, woof, really pops out, yeah. I think this is the lip tint to go for if you want to present the classic red look. In comparison to this one has more matte finish to it, and woof, yeah, like I said, it's really pops out. And I think this is more classic red look. So yeah, and does still feel moist. Yeah, it represents matte look, but you feel hydrated. So the scores for these, for the packaging, I absolutely love because the packaging I think is really nice because you can kind of see what you're getting. It's nice clear bottle. So I give it total score of I think these tints, you need to be a little bit careful because it can get onto your teeth a bit. You just need to watch out. As soon as you've applied, you just need to watch your teeth a bit. I hope my teeth are okay. You just need to watch that a bit at the beginning of application, but otherwise I need to give it, because of the getting onto your teeth, I had to give it -half, so 4.5 I'd give to these tints. Still a pretty high score, yeah. And considering these were under £10, I reckon who's gonna notice that you've got under £10 tint on, yeah? It just looks so classic. Love these. Seriously, K-Beauty, you've done it again. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to show some love and support and not miss out on any of my future videos. And if you have missed out on any of my previous videos, you can check it out from here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Annyeong!